First of all, the apartment industry exists in every community and every hometown across the country. There are apartments everywhere. And it's an industry that needs to hire people at all levels, in the maintenance area, in the sales area, in the business management area, as well as in the home offices. It utilizes the skills people have developed in life and as they've worked particularly in the military. The concepts of teamwork, discipline, and dealing with difficult situations are what happens every day in apartment communities throughout the country.
A career in the multifamily industry is perfect for a veteran because veterans are already used to being very mobile. Typically, if you're a veteran, you've lived in a number of different locations because you PCS every 2 years anyway, and sometimes more often than that. So you're adapting to new neighborhoods and new areas, and that's what the apartment industry is all about, mobility. You know, I think a lot of veterans don't realize how big the multifamily industry is. That is a huge industry, not only of the property management personnel that deal with the on-site housing, but it's also a whole vendor industry that takes care of all that housing. And it's a huge opportunity looking for people that have leadership skills at a young age that can develop into supervisors in our industry. It's just, it's an incredible opportunity.
And I don't think that people recognize that we have such a broad array of job opportunities. And I'll give you an example. We have a very large property on the island of Oahu, one of the largest properties in the country. It has over 7,000 homes. It happens to be a property for the United States Army, but the person who runs it was in the United States Army for 20 years, came out, went to work for us, started training, and is now the general manager and has hundreds of employees in charge of a $2 billion project.
The apartment industry is a perfect opportunity for military families and people coming out of the military to transition into a new career. It's something that you can take with you anywhere. The skills that you learn in the military of just leadership, developing teamwork, and being able to accomplish missions, it works really well when you're talking about taking care of families in housing units. I mean, they need someone to always be there to make sure that their needs are being taken care of. And you're always going to have to work with teams, maintenance teams, leasing teams, and those to be able to do the best customer service you can. So I think that those were skills that you learned.
Majority of the military live in military housing. So each time they move, they're moving into a new housing area. They have to help maintain those houses in there, and they realize what it takes to keep things running within the household there and to maintain things. So they step out into an industry like this. They're familiar with dealing on the other side of being a tenant in a house, so now they know how to deal with tenants in there. So they're trained, they're ready to roll.